Hey, what's up guys? Irma here, MonsterGadgets, and we are actually on the side of the highway here. My wife was on her way to go pick up the kids and ended up getting a flat tire. So my son, Zayan, and myself came in our Model 3 to come support her. So we've got Tesla Roadside Service coming, and it should be pretty cool actually because they have a truck that they can either fix a tire or replace a tire on. So I'm going to show you guys that. But right now we're just kind of hanging on the side of the road. But do you want to tell everyone what happened?
I was just on the ramp to get onto this highway and I heard a pop, and then I thought, oh, okay, I hope that was nothing. And then I heard a sound, and then I got the message that I need to pull over and check my tire. So it's like a really weird spot because there's not really a shoulder and there's a lot of big trucks going by, so it's kind of scary, but I'm just waiting now.
Yeah, so we've been in contact with Tesla Roadside Service. They're about 30 minutes away. So let me show you guys what the tire actually looks like. The sidewall is basically busted, and so that has to be replaced. But again, they'll do a roadside. So let me show you where we're at and what the tire currently looks like. So here's what the tire looks like. As you can see, the sidewall is completely wrecked. No idea how it happened. Model 3, and we are on the side of the highway on 80 off 355 waiting for Tesla. Alright, so here is where she's about to take the exit, and it happens somewhere on the exit ramp.
Ironically, last night we were on the same highway and there's a sign to the right that says bump. So then he was asking me, why is the sign here? Where's the bump? Why is it here? What's the reason? And I was like, I don't know. It's always been there. But I think now I'm realizing it's because maybe I went over that bump at too high of a speed, too fast. That's what caused it. Like here, you see these bumps.
And
You would think
then pop.
that'd be it, because it would be really weird.
And there's a bump sign right there.
Right, to warn you.
So let's go to the right camera view, and here's the right tire, the rear tire. Exactly, Zen. Not sure.
Because then it could have been in and then popped.
Yeah.
But I do think it has something to do with that bump, which I've been traveling this road for 20 years.
And it's flat. You can see the tire is starting to get a little bit lower in the pressure. And getting pulled over now. Oh,
no.
Not yet.
No. I was having second thoughts.
Now it's, yeah.
And then all the way to the side of the road onto the dirt.
I feel like the gravel probably
The gravel, right? Yeah.
I mean, I had nowhere else to go.
Yeah, you don't want to
So that's how we're positioned currently.
Yeah.
He's tilted.
So he just pulled up. We're gonna go see. I guess he'll come to us. But he just pulled up. I should probably ask him if he needs me to move my car in front, maybe instead of the back.
Yeah, maybe you should.
Yeah. Well, maybe he's gonna come to us. I don't know. Alright, so he just came over and asked us to put it in jack mode. So basically you hit the brake pedal, go to service, hit the brake pedal, this turns gray, you press it again, let go of the brake pedal, and then put it in jack mode. And so he's basically going to replace the tire. I'm going to step out so I can see what's happening. But you guys stay in. So there is the Tesla van. It's actually pretty cool. Apparently they've got everything in this van to service the tire. But right there, he's gonna bring out the new tire, and he is going to go ahead and replace it here, put the jack on, and fix it. You got the new one. Perfect. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, so we just got home, and so we're gonna give an overview of when you contacted, how long it took, what happened?
Yeah, I think I contacted them at like 1:30, and then it took him about an hour
Yeah.
to get there, and then he finished quickly in about 15 minutes.
So
20
hour, I
minutes.
think, overall, but
Yeah.
it took him about 40 minutes from the time like he knew where to come to, right?
Yeah, well, that was just the drive. But
Yeah.
overall, it was quick. Very good service.
Yes. So we are back home safely. They did replace the tire, the rim, even though it's damaged. He said it shouldn't interfere with how it functions, so we should be okay. We're guessing you probably hit some type of a metal thing on the road for the fact that it dented the rim, but thankfully we're home safely and had a good experience with Tesla service. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of crazy for us. But make sure you subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.